In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to jump to any slide instantly in PowerPoint if you're in the middle of a presentation and need to return to an earlier point. The last thing you want is to tap backward one slide at a time while your audience waits. The good news is, in slideshow mode, there are a few simple shortcuts that let you jump straight to the exact slide you want without breaking your flow. First, you can go directly to a slide by typing its number and pressing Enter. For example, if you want to jump to slide 4, just press 4, then enter, and you'll land on that slide immediately. This works with any slide number, even 2 digits. So 12, then enter takes you to slide 12. This method is fastest when you already know your key slide numbers, which is often the case in shorter decks or when you've rehearsed your transitions. A helpful tip is to skim your slides beforehand so you have a mental map of where important moments live by number. If you'd rather choose from a list instead of remembering numbers, use the list view in slideshow mode. Press Ctrl plus S to display a window that shows the title of every slide in your deck. From there, click the title you want, then select Go To, and PowerPoint will jump to that slide on the spot. This is especially useful for longer presentations or when your audience asks to revisit a section and you remember the title but not the number. To make this even more reliable, give your slides clear descriptive titles when you build the deck so the list is easy to scan under pressure. Another visual option is the thumbnail grid. Press the G key in slideshow mode to see miniature previews of all your slides. Click the one you want and you're taken there instantly. This is great when you recognize a slide by how it looks rather than by its title or number. Keep in mind the thumbnail grid shortcut works in PowerPoint 2013 and newer versions. If you don't see the grid, you may be using an older version that doesn't support it. With these navigation shortcuts, numbers plus enter, the Ctrl plus S slide list, and the G key thumbnail grid, you can move around your presentation smoothly, respond to questions confidently, and keep your audience engaged without awkward pauses. Practice them once or twice before presenting so they become second nature. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.